Okay guys, so I got my package from the New Jersey State Chrysanthemum Society, so I'm unboxing it now. Look at that. So they came in these cute little things. And so there's the quarterback mom, and let's see, 1 second. Let me set these out. So there was a quarterback garden mom, and then there is a white grandchild hardy mom. And then let's see, there is Irish linen hardy mom. And then let's see, there is Belle O the Ball hardy mom. And then there is bronze giant. There's 3 of those. And then there is cheerleader. And then let's see which one is, and this is Irish linen. So let me see, there should be 21 in here. So let me count them right quick. Oops. Oh no, this one fell out of its little. Phone out. Okay, there we go. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Hang on. I thought there was supposed to be 21. Hang on for a second, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm looking at the list of what I got, and it looks like the Fancy Free is not in here, so I'll have to call them just to see what happened to those. But these are kind of dry, so I'm going to go give them some water, soak them a little bit, and then I'll be ready to pot them up this evening.